Hello, my door closer collector friends. I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading any videos lately. I was busy, been busy doing stuff, but anyways, today I purchased a new door closer as my graduation gift. Here she is, folks. The Universal Hardware Residential could be installed either on a interior door or exterior door. I believe these are rated for like medium size weight doors, I think. And I know I probably did the mounting wrong, but it's on a testing rig, so who cares? Oh yeah, and then those of you who know, I still have the Norton. She still closes perfectly. Open up here around like 100 degrees. Oh yeah, and then there's the box. Now, for some reason, I thought this had a built-in latch speed. You know, if you do like perpendicular, I think the latch speed will go. I think it was faster, slower, and then if you have it like this, I think it's supposed to go slower, maybe. But I don't know, door closer doctor, if you're watching this. But we can go ahead and get a upshot of it closing. But I think the older models of this, they had that feature that you can adjust the latch speed. But this one, you have to adjust it's the whole closing speed, whole sweep speed. So go ahead and open it all the way. So this is all the way opened. So yeah, it has a nice, fairly sleep speed. So, anyways, just want to show you this video of this Universal Hardware closer. Thanks for watching.